where we dive deep into the X1 blockchain and its latest token launch, XOC. This could be your best entry point into the Web3 world. Let's embark on a new chapter of value incentive in Web3. So, X1 leading the new era of Web3 and embracing future blockchain trends. In the rapidly evolving landscape of blockchain technology, and X1 chain is the capturing global attention. It's not only inherits the technology maturity of Ethereum and value storage concept of Bitcoin, but it also introduced an innovative behavior value incentive BVI mechanism, becoming the first equity value public chain to convert user behavior into tangible value as the lifeblood of the X1 ecosystem. The official launch of the XO token undoubtedly mark a new beginning. So it is fast, secure, value driven, and the X1 advantage. So first look at their technical advantages, which is given here. X1's technical advantage driving the future of decentralized innovation. It adopts the POBVI proof of behavior value incentive consensus mechanism, achieving a 1 second block time, ensuring faster and more stable transaction experience. Moreover, built on the Cosmos SDK, its modular basically architecture supports flexible scalability and cross-chain communication with EVM compatibility, making multi-chain intra basically possible, enhancing the synergy within the Web3 ecosystem. And this design not only addresses the transaction throughout and scalability issue common among layer 1 chain, but also avoids centralized. This is typical of layer 2 solutions such as vendor lock-in and different governance. So from a macro perspective, XZone is more than just a blockchain. It is a decentralized ecosystem. Every interaction, whether transaction, smart contract, execution, or governance notice, drives the development of a sustainable growing economy. Behavior driven decentralized starts with you. So each node developer, you can see it here, and user is endowed with equal rights, and they have the fast, secure, and value driven here. So the X1 advantage, and they contribute to the network growth and share in its success. All contributions are transparently recorded, ensuring that every action receives corresponding rewards, thereby building trust and promoting long perception. So further here they have bringing blockchain seamless transfer powered by value driven innovation. For individuals finding DID identity with X1 ecosystem, NFTs can amplify earning and contributing behavior within the ecosystem can earn GB reward. For organization leveraging the Xstar platform to integrate resource and participate in ecosystem, you can see it here, the seamless transfer powered by value driven innovation. So further they have building the future of the decentralized economy through community collaboration. They can do that, leveraging Xstar platform to integrate resources and participate in ecosystem governance within the Web3 ecosystem. Additionally, project listed Xstar can enjoy benefits such as POBVI incentives, no listing fee, and media promotion support, attracting more users and partners. All of this demonstrate that it can world of X1. True value creator receive their reward. So, and you can see POBVI is their proof of behavior value incentive. So you can enjoy benefit of POBVI incentive, no listing fees, and media promotion support, attractive more users. And most importantly, X1 aims to build a fair and efficient Web3 ecosystem. Most on-chain behavior truly become valuable asset through the unique POBVI mechanism. The platform encourages active participants in ecosystem development with AI data analysis, quantifies users contributions, and ensure transparent reward distribution. This model not only promotes the continuous growth of decentralized ecosystem but also provide early stage projects with funding, technology, and market resource support, further advancing the sustainability of the entire ecosystem. So next, X1 technical art, you can see architecture unveiled, laying a strong foundation for the future of Web3. You can see it here, they have given X1, they have built smarter, accelerate behavior driven innovation. So they have a biggest advantages here. You can see they have data inside, total transactions, wallet address, Telegram and Twitter. You can see you can follow them on that too. Further, you can see with the launch of XOC token, they have entered a more open, inclusive and vibrant era. Whether they are a developer, investor or ordinary user, there are opportunity for everyone. So don't be worried that you are a developer, investor or ordinary user. You will get the opportunity for everyone that they can give their place on this emerging platform and collectively write the brilliant chapter of Web3. So let's embrace this feast of shared creation and step onto the path of value. And you can see embrace the future together. Join us in that building. They are inviting you, track your impact on the blockchain and be a part of their journey. And you can see step onto their part of the value celebration in Web3. If you want to be a part of this future, follow them on their official channel for more information. And X1 ecosystem empower developers and innovate projects co-building to the future. So I share the details. You can follow them on their official channels for more information. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you.